engine to start with. And then the reason we cut all the way to the first tick, so we don't got to do math. So you just keep going tick to tick to tick. So what we do is always count twice. So you got all the way to the first tick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, if you could.
Hey, you got a lighter?
Yeah. You got a knife on you? Keep on spraying it. Do you want to do everyone's setups now? Or you just want to do them as we go?
You do it how you want to do it.
I say we just do it as we go. Pull back on it, seat it back down, and see if it matches up with it. What do you guys use then?
No, I'm at like when it's inside.
Take that now. You're good. You're good. Let go.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Smoke!
Like that in the fucking C4. You gotta help. There you go.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Come back, and you're going to take the cap into it, okay? Take him right down. Right. Make sure you have it nice and tight on there.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Smoke!
EOD took us out, me and one other engineer. We out here doing a basic demolition. So working with C4, TNT, just priming in. Our overall objective was to get the EOD techs some sustainment as well as the engineers, and have them come out here and show us, you know, their way of doing basic demolition, since we both do it a different way. Today we use deck cord, C4, and TNT. The range we could only use 1 1/4 pounds, so we're using C4 in half, and then a full block of TNT. The difference between C4 and TNT is C4 has like a higher REF, the readiness explosive factor, so that means it's used for cutting, and then cutting and breaching, and then TNT is used for like pushing, so like as a cratering charge. Common engineers, I think we do a great deal, whether it's we're back, you know, in the shops, you know, building stuff to help with the MAGTF, or out in the field with some grunt units, you know, doing breaching, basic demolition.
So us working with the combat engineers, we know here there's not too many of them with our company, so they're not able to get the sustainment training they need to be proficient in their own job. So we invited them to come out, train beside us. We overwatch them. We allowed them to take charge of their own younger Marines, teach them, and we also, between each other, taught each other different ways on how engineers would work with explosives versus EOD working with explosives. The only difference is just how we handle explosives, the different steps that we take when we do things, and also how we would do the same thing but call it something different. C4, it's more like a cutting charge. It's real fast, it hits hard. TNT though, it detonates slower. It's more of a pushing charge, so you can use that actually to excavate anything out of the ground. It would move a lot of ground out of the way, create a bigger hole, and push a lot more dirt farther away, whereas C4 it hits so fast and so hard it will